Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I'm going to show you how I paint this Paint by Line Sweet Summertime cutout. I am going to go in with the color the Gulf. You guys know this is one of my very favorite colors, and I'm going to base coat my background here. Once I've done so, I'm going to go in and base coat my little beach chair here, and I chose limeade for that, keeping everything bright and colorful on this cutout. As you guys know, I love to do during the summertime. I love to make everything bright. And all the paint that I use in this video, and most of my videos, is Dixie Belle chalk paint, which you can purchase online at buildacross.com, along with the cutouts and brushes that I use in these videos. I painted my umbrella in cotton, and I'm going in and painting my little coconut drink. I am using chocolate for my coconut, cotton for the inside of my coconut, and then on my flowers I'm using flamingo and peony. Love those colors together. Flamingo is a go-to when I'm painting some of these tropical cutouts. It's perfect. And now I'm going in with the color Peacock, and I'm painting my lettering. And anytime I'm doing lettering, I like to use like a number 4 round, a smaller brush, and just take my time with it, because this is one of the steps that will take you a little bit longer. If you want to do something a little bit easier, you can go in with the Sharpie brush stroke marker and just make your lettering black, and that is something I do a lot. I actually really love lettering in black because it really pops and stands out, and I think that's beautiful. So if you want to go that route, don't be afraid to. And then I just did this little confetti technique in the color Sea Glass. I used Peacock and cotton, and I'm not making like perfect circles. I'm pretty much just like laying my brush on the side and dabbing that all around. And then I'm doing the same thing on my umbrella. I'm using my Sharpie marker to just kind of make some like Dalmatian print, just kind of altering the way that these little dots go and how big they are. And now I'm going to start outlining / distressing my beach chair. So anytime I paint the beach chairs, I usually distress them. So that's pretty much what I'm doing here. Instead of outlining with black, I'm outlining with chocolate, and I'm doing kind of like a rough outline to look more like distressing than a perfect outline. And then over that brown, I'm going to go in with a little bit of putty. And I don't know why, it's kind of like the highlighting of this. I just like the way it looks. It kind of softens it. And I also highlight my coconut with that putty color. And now I'm going in and doing a little bit of outlining with my Sharpie marker. So again, I'm not doing a really harsh, clean outline. I'm just outlining here and there to make everything pop. And again, I outlined my umbrella. And then I'm going to do the same thing on my lettering. I'm going to add a little bit of that black outline on the side of some of my letters. Again, not doing my letters completely, just here and there. And then I'll finish my product by going in with a number 4 round in the color cotton and highlighting everything. And then that'll complete my project. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day.